And they say, well, okay, I want 3 dose strengths and a placebo. Okay, what 3 dose strengths? I don't know. Make a guess. And it goes on and on and on and on and on like this. And the drug product guy's really got an issue, right? He's got 9 months. He's got to develop 3 dose strengths and a placebo. He's got to develop a supporting analytical package around that. He's got to demonstrate manufacture of that clinical trial supply. He's got to pack it up. He's got to run a stability study that's probably going to need to have 3 months of stability data on it with a 3-month accelerated condition, giving it a 6-month or a 9-month shelf life from product manufacture. He's then got to get the clinical trial batch manufactured into packing, into clinical labeling, finally deliver it to the clinical guys so they can get their first subject first dose in June. It's a lot. It's a lot to do. What Quotient's done, because as I say, we brought together drug product manufacturing and clinical testing, is just bring these two things together. So we make product on demand and we dose it in healthy volunteers in our own clinical unit.